Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear the Safari history and when if won't let you. For example, if you try to clear the Safari history and you see there that the option is grayed out. Now if you want to clear the history when it won't let you, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to go to general. And in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and here you have to simply check whether any kind of history is available, whether which means you have to simply use the Safari recently, and after that you have to check whether there is any option available to clear the history. So if there is no option available, then you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to click on apps, and in apps you have to search for the Safari. And after that, what you have to do, you have to click on Safari and you have to look for the settings of the clear history and website data. So you have to simply click on that, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply select the time range in which you want to clear the history, which means if you want to clear the history of last hour or today and yesterday, or if you want to clear all the history. So if there is an option available. So if you click on close all tabs, then it will also close all tabs which are open in the Safari. So if you select any of the options available, then click on clear history, then all of the history will be cleared from your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.